The PUP's Orange Rock slate is ready for battle on March 3rd. Ladrick Mad Bull Shepherd wants to be the next Orange Rock mayor, and he's leading a young and new slate under the team. Together, development continues.
This has always been my passion and my dream from since I won my first election in 2012. I won again in 2015 and then finally in 2018. Then when I decided that no, this is my turn.
And since 2012, Shepherd has been the people's favorite candidate, receiving the highest number of votes in every election he has contested, each time higher than the last. For the past 3 terms, Shepherd has been part of a council that has been working while the PUP was in opposition. He believes that since his party is now central government, he can do more for Orange Rock residents. Even though he is seen as the sports councillor, this mayor of Hopeful says he has what it takes to lead the town. So what if I tell you the criticism is that, Bull, all you know is sports. How can you manage an entire town?
At the end of the day, I will tell my public at reflect back to what has been happening in the Orange Rock Town Council again. I say again, this town council has been working. We didn't sit back and wait and say, oh, because we were under UDP central government, we will not make a move. Kevin was bold enough to tour the whole team and tour this town and do as much work as he could without no regrets. And like I said, I being the mayoral candidate now for Orange Rock, we can only get better, we can do more work.
However, don't you feel that you're being too overly hopeful, maybe to a fault, because you believe that the PUP's massive election win in November may spill into municipal election?
No, I don't think so, Polo. On just myself, my credibility and the work that I have done in the community, apart from the sport itself, I've done actually many things to the community. So you want people to believe in the mayoral candidate, they want people to believe in the person who I am.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning.
But it's not only about Mad Bull, but also about his entire team, and today we caught up with them on the campaign trail. They are mostly newcomers: Dorette Pascasio, Allen Yu, Joanna Rodriguez, Joyce Canton, Kadir Escalante, and Fernando Sanchez, who is seeking a second term.
What I hope to achieve in the next 3 years is that I want the youth to be more a part of the town council. I want to be able to pave more streets. I want to educate single mothers out there, not only educate them, but I also want to help them in the community so that they can become independent individuals.
I see the needs of the community, and I hope that I could, if elected, hopefully I can make things better.
Okay, so how do you plan to make things better with your skills and your talent if come after election?
For example, mayor candidate Ladrick Shepherd gave me an idea because they wanted to have a safer town. And one way we could do that, we were thinking maybe implementing like maybe cameras at key points in the town. And that's something that hopefully I could use my assets and with technology, and I could hope to implement.
I'm an environmentalist at heart, and I always believe that going green is the way forward. So what I want to work on is the amount of garbage that the households produce. So I want to work with bettering the garbage collections, going green, having cleanup campaigns. And I know that together we could have a greener and more beautiful town.
And this PUP slate says that it has been warmly welcomed by voters in Orange Rock Town.
We have an excellent team. I think these are faces that the Orange Rock people has been seeing many times in the community. And I think with the aggressiveness that we have, we can do wonders here today.
Reporting for News 5, Hipólito Novello.